Hello, and welcome to the recording for the Opportunity Portal tutorial in order for you to use the backend of the Opportunity Portal and use Opportunity Portal at its fullest. So, first thing first, in terms of the Opportunity Portal, this is the login for anybody new who wants to access ISEC opportunities, and you can just go log in. You can sign up with LinkedIn, or you can just create or another email address and sign up with it. And once you log in, you are taken to a very easy to use website where you can just go to browse opportunities and find internships for yourself, which are there on mysec.net by just clicking on a country and a program, and just like have all your basically all the exchange opportunities that are on mysec.net. In basically 2 minutes you can find opportunities in a particular subproduct or a particular issue, which basically means it's very important to change all your forms of TN to the subproduct and the issue with the primary and secondary, and select the master issue and the sub issues, and at the same point in time complete your TN forms, because otherwise they will be shown like this, which you don't want. So when people are accessing, and when anybody signs up, what basically happens is that if you go to manage.isec.org, you can go to analytics, and you can go click on OP, and you'll be taken to a page like this which has this information. So basically when anyone is signing up, and this information is available to everyone, so you can go and see for any MC, but when you log in, it'll be for everybody signing in on OP, and this is the information people are leaving behind when they sign up. And if they're signing up from LinkedIn, then we have their age, top cities, and top languages, because that's the data we are pulling from their LinkedIn account. So at any point of time, you can just go here, and you'll be able to see what are the backgrounds that people are signing up, which background do they belong to, what is the kind of work experience that they have had, and what is the kind of education they've had, how many people are signing up in each country. So like we've had 47 people from Russia accessing Opportunity Portal, 8 people from China, so on and so forth. At the same point of time, if you go down, these are all the searches that people are making, and this is the data we want you to use for uh, let's say business intelligence and organizational planning. So people signing up from these entities, so these are the maximum, these are subproducts that are most popular. So clearly, um, business administration is a very popular subproduct. At the same point in time, in issues you can see what are people wanting to go off, all the sub issues are being reflected here. So cross culture dialogue is popular, and you can just check which issues, and at the same point in time, what are the which are the destinations that are being searched the most. So like Poland, Czech Republic, China, they are like popular search destinations, and on those lines. So this is the kind of analytics that you will get, and you can use this to decide your focus programs, etc. At the same point of time, you can just go to OP, and you can go to OP configuration, and you can select which countries and which issues and which subproducts do you want to show on your opportunity portal, because maybe you don't want everyone to see everything. So you can just select the countries, your partner countries, you can select your top issues that you want to focus on, and only that data will be shown in the main website, which is this website, for the people accessing from your country. Yeah. And at the same point in time, we have OP for companies. So opportunities.isec.org/companies. Companies can come and leave their details here. Once they've left their details here, you will get this information over here in users, and it will first, if you, it will come as not active when they register, but once you click it, it becomes active, and once it becomes active, they can just log in here, and once they log in, they will be able to see the number of EPs that are there in each subproduct and each issue, and they'll be able to see all the forms that are already there, all the TN forms that are already there in that subproduct and issue. So you can make sure that you have the best JD at the same point of time, like you raised, right? So you're raising for those subproducts and issues for which your available, and that information you will get from the opportunity portal. At the same point of time, we have a login for members as well. So anyone who has a mysec.net login can just go to opportunities .isec.org slash start slash members, and slash start slash members, and once they log in there, you can just register with your mysec.net ID and you will get a password. And once you create that password, you can just enter at any point of time from your mysec.net ID. And once you enter from your mysec.net ID, you will be taken to an opportunity portal where you will be able to see all the TNs that are currently there on the system, which country, how many, in the regions and stuff like that. And you can just click on them and you will be taken to all those available on career development and in whatever country that you want to see. So this is basically your new available form tracker on, and at the click of like one button you can see all the forms in each country and make your analysis. And here you will have basically this is all the opportunities that people are searching for the most. So let's say everybody entering business administration in Brazil is the most popular opportunity right now, and that's the information that is coming from the customer database or the customer login of the opportunity. So, and least popular is, let's say, in Azerbaijan, natural and life science. So so these are kind of things and information that you will get, and this information you use as business intelligence, and you use, your members use, LCs use, MCs use, everybody uses to come up with the right focus programs, and at the same point in time come up with the right supply and demand strategy. That's actually it for Opportunity Portal. Go search for internship in 2 minutes and make sure this happens. Just one more thing. So when people are accessing the Opportunity Portal and all, and searching for it, all the data comes in analytics in OP. But if a user applies on it for an internship on the Opportunity Portal, then what you will have is that in data, along with, once somebody has applied, along with student, company, and alumni ORS, you will have an OP applications tab. I can show it to you. And in this OP applications tab, you will have the applications of all the people who have applied for the opportunity. So if we go to the main login, so if I go to data, so over here I have OP applications, and I just go in OP applications, and I will be able to see who has applied to which TNID and those kind of things. Yeah, and the EPID. And then if they don't have an EPID, if there's someone and I like the profile of that person, that person's not interactive with ISEC right now, I can just go approach that person, and I can raise that person and then get in touch with the other country and match that person to the TN that person applied for, or fix interviews and stuff like that. So that's your OP in short. Very simple, very easy to use. If you have any questions, you can get in touch with the Global Musketeers or the AI team, and especially me, and we can take it forward from there. Thank you so much, and signing off.